I got some lights here. These are the USB operated LED TV lighting. I got a big old TV out there. I got some lights for it. I'm pretty excited to see what this is gonna do, how it's gonna look. So let's just unbox it and figure out what we got here. One roll of lights. Come on now, there's some more stuff. Don't need that. Power adapter, just a straight USB port into the lights. Got a bag of stuff. Looks like you got some connectors. If you want to connect multiple strands of lights, there's 3 clips. Make sure your wiring's all nice and tight. Got a remote control, pull the tab out, and we are good to go. So many instructions. You don't really need that. Here's your lights. How long do they go? That long. Wingspan is how tall you are. Probably about 7 feet. You got sticky tape on the back side, so just peel that off and stick it to where you would like to stick it. I'm gonna pause here, go to my TV, hook these things up and see how it looks. And I'm back. This is my TV room. As you can see, I have a very large TV, but there's no lights behind it, and I'm gonna remedy that right now. Gotta figure out how I wanna do this. I really should've got 2 of these strands for this size of TV. I wanna go up, across, and down, but I think I might only be able to go across, which is fine. It's fine. TV should have a USB connection back here nicely. Remove the sticky tape. The nice thing about these lights is you can easily connect another strand. So if I wanted to go down on both sides, I could do that, but we'll see how it looks with just one. Carefully, carefully. Puppy, don't look, just in case things go bad. I'm liking this. Up there, there, there. Pop, 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 pop. You're gonna wanna discard your trash. Okay, there we go. That is a nice glow. So then you got a controller here. I'll just go through all these. So you can change the brightness level. I might not be able to do that because the controller is blocked. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to go up here. And behind, just got them along the top. The controller's here, and so I have to come over here to use the remote. So you can change the brightness level. You got some different effects. This is just changing the colors. That is strobe. That's a slow fade between all the colors. Then you have a whole bunch of different stationary colors. Here's a few of my favorites. Ooh, that red and blue looks kind of cool. I like that. A teal, yellow, and like a green yellowish color. Puppy, do you think that's pretty cool? Well, anyway, that is the LED light strip. I got these all over my house, under my bed, now behind the TV, under my desk. They're just cool. That wraps up the review. Thanks for watching.